Have you noticed that every week there's a new humanoid robot doing backflips or dancing? Well, Genesis AI just revealed something completely different. This is Eno, a new AI-powered robot unveiled by Genesis AI, and after watching the launch video, one thing becomes clear. This robot wasn't built for viral stunts. It was built to work. Right from the start, the video shows Eno moving through real environments, handling objects, interacting with tools, and operating in spaces designed for humans. Instead of walking on two legs, Eno uses a wheeled base, allowing it to move more efficiently in factories, laboratories, and workplaces. One of the most interesting parts of the video is Eno's unique body design. The robot can extend upward when it needs extra reach and fold down into a compact form when not in use. It's a clever approach that prioritizes functionality over looking human. The video also highlights Eno's dexterous robotic hands. These hands are designed to closely match human hand movements, allowing the robot to manipulate tools, pick up objects, and perform precise tasks. That's possible because Eno is powered by Genesis AI's robotics foundation model called Gene, which helps the robot understand goals and coordinate complex actions. Another detail worth noticing is the optional screen interface shown in some versions of the robot. Instead of giving Eno a traditional robotic face, Genesis AI uses the display to communicate the robot's intentions and status, helping humans understand what it's doing. According to Genesis AI, Eno will initially target manufacturers, logistics companies, and laboratories before expanding into service environments and eventually homes. Customer deployments are planned for late 2026. The biggest takeaway from this launch? While most companies are trying to build robots that look human, Genesis AI is asking a different question. What if the best robot for real work doesn't need legs at all? And judging by what we saw in this video, Eno might be one of the most practical robot designs we've seen this year. Would you rather have a humanoid robot or a more efficient wheeled robot like Eno? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more robotics and AI updates.